Kit and Pup's World of Opposites. Sandy seaside. Hi, Kit.
Meow.
Where is Pup? What is that over there?
Ruff.
Can you see Pup? He is far away. I know. Why don't you use your spyglass?
Meow.
Can you find Pup? Click or tap on him.
Meow.
There he is.
Ruff.
Well done. We found Pup. Look, there's Pup.
Ruff. Meow.
There he is.
Ruff.
What is that?
Ruff.
I think Pup can see something. Come on, Kit. We need to get nearer.
Meow.
Swipe the screen to find out what is under the sand. Ooh, look! It's buried treasure!
Meow. Ruff.
Continue. Hi, Kit.
Meow.
Hi, Pup.
Ruff.
Nice submarine. Look, some objects are floating and some objects are sinking. Can you collect all of the objects? You need to move up and down to collect the objects. We did it! Continue. The park. Hi, Kit.
Meow.
Hi, Pup.
Ruff.
What is this? Small toys and big toys. Shall we put them in order? Small toys go here and big ones go here. Okay, let's see if we can order them. Can you help order the toys from smallest to biggest? Well done! Continue. Which is the smallest toy and which is the biggest now? Let's order them. Has the order changed? Order the toys from smallest to biggest. We did it! We've ordered the toys! Continue. Hi, Kit.
Meow.
Hi, Pup.
Ruff.
Nice paddling pool. Are you going for a swim?
Meow.
But the paddling pool is empty. We need to fill it. Come on. Oh no, there's a hole in the paddling pool. We need to stop the leaks. Press the holes to stop the leaks. Well done! The paddling pool was empty, but now it's full.
Meow.
Continue. Yay! We've filled the pool. Kit and Pup are getting ready to jump in. Click or tap on Kit and Pup to make them jump in. Kit and Pup need our help to get in the water. Ha! That was fun. The paddling pool was full, but now it is empty. Continue.